Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to take a look and review this Eagle 21-inch 56-volt electric lawnmower. I'll go over some of the details of it as well as how it's held up over the last 2 years. Let's get started. This is our second season with this Eagle electric mower, and the reason why we went with it was our old Murray motor was gas powered and falling apart. So after doing some research, we looked online and saw really good reviews on this model, as well as the battery on this was said to last 45 minutes. And we can verify that we do get between 40 and 45 minutes on a full charge, which is plenty for a little bit of area that we do use the push mower on. Another thing that we really like about it is the fact that it's an all composite construction. So you're not gonna have the deck rust out on you. The wheels aren't gonna rust off. The only thing that is steel is the blade and the shaft underneath. And I also like the fact that it's battery operated. There's no more filling it up with gas or running out of gas during your mow, and no more changing oil. So basically the only maintenance you're gonna have left to do on this mower is keep the blades sharpened and keep it cleaned. I'll go over some of the features now with you, and then we'll go ahead and give you a demonstration on how well it works. Really nice feature with this mower is the compact size it's at while it's folded up for easy storage. And it's really easy to get the handles in the upright position. Just squeeze in on the handle here, lift up the handle. You can lock it in any position that you want at a certain angle, and then you can extend the handles out and they just lock in with these little snaps on each side. The battery compartment sits underneath this plastic lid here. To pull it out, you just push down on the button, pull the battery out, and then you can place it on the charger. To set it back in, just slide it in the grooves, push down till it clicks, and you can also check the battery. There's an indicator light at the top here. There are two LED lights located at the front of the mower if you're interested in mowing in the dark. They are operated with a button located right here. The height of the mower deck is adjustable with one simple handle. The mower deck has one blade. You can get a mulching blade or bagging with this unit. We just prefer to mulch with it. Another nice feature with this is how easy it starts. There's no more pulling on the cords. Just simply push in the green button, pull the handle back, running. We also love the fact how quiet it is. There's no vibrations on it. It's smooth and it cuts really nice. This mower comes with a 56-volt charger, which can be wall mounted with the two holes located on the back, or placed directly on the ground with the 4 rubber pads. The battery just slides into place and it'll start charging. Charging takes roughly 1 hour to 3 hours depending on how much of the battery usage you have used up. What we really like about this lawnmower also is the compact feature that it has. When you're finished with the lawnmower, you can fold the handles back up, flip the handles over, and then you can go ahead and stand the whole unit up on its back, and there's hardly any space that it takes up in your garage. So far we really enjoyed this mower. I recommend checking them out. We were a little bit hesitant at first. We weren't sure how long the battery was going to last. The fact that you're not using fuel at the cost of fuel today, you never have to change the oil on it. All you need to do is sharpen the blades, give it a bath every now and then, and it's ready to go. The ease of adjustment of the height of the deck and the ability to fold up the handles in a quick manner to keep it stored in your garage and take up less space is also a great feature. And the fact that it has an all composite deck was also another feature that leaned us towards buying this model as well. The only downfall that I see with this mower is the batteries are quite expensive. So should the battery ever go bad on us, you're looking at a couple $100 to get that replaced. So with minimal noise, no vibration, and all composite construction, no gas and no oil to deal with, you might want to consider checking these out. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to get outdoors with Deano.